Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Are you ready? Today we launch the first of a cool series we call Tech Talks. Here at Godlan, we want to help you with your ERP. We are here to be the authority in enterprise performance management, to be the authority in helping SMB manufacturers be all that they can be, deliver for their customers, grow their employees, and have a ton of fun along the way. Throughout this series, we're going to be answering a whole bunch of different questions posed by customers, by prospects, by consultants, by private equity firms, and we're just going to be shedding some light on some of the frequently asked questions that get asked to us all the time. So, if you're ready, buckle up and let's dig in. First and foremost, what the heck is ERP? ERP, as some people pronounce it, is known as Enterprise Resource Planning. What does that mean? Well, it's business management software. It's a macro level software that combines everything from HR to manufacturing to engineering to quality to shop floor to finance and accounting and sales and CRM, all into one solution to help you run your business better. It's cross-functional. It's designed to be integrated so that it all works together and so you can have visibility to all of your business at the same time. ERP's systems track business resources, whether that's raw materials or people, cash, production capacity. They help us manage those resources better so that we can be more efficient and more effective in our business. In simple terms, ERP is the engine that runs your business. And maybe there's a better way to say it. Maybe not the engine, but it's the chassis that your engine runs on, right? Engines are great in cars, but if you don't have a chassis and a drivetrain, you're not going to go anywhere. It's just a cool engine sitting there looking pretty, right? So the ERP is really that chassis and drivetrain that the engine sits on. Your people, your process, your product. That's the engine that drives everything on the ERP. So hopefully this was helpful. Enterprise Resource Planning, simply put, it's business management software, and it's a fully integrated suite that puts everything that you need together at your fingertips so that you can run your business better. Thanks for joining us today on Godlan Tech Talks. If you want to learn more about Godlan, you can scan this QR code over here or check us out at godlan.com. Thanks.